नवयुग शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ चापोली, संजनी महाविद्यालय चापोली, ॲफिलेटेड बाय स्वामी रामानंद तीर्थ मराठवाडा युनिव्हर्सिटी नांदेड. गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल द स्टुडंट ऑफ क्लास BSc SY, subject zoology. Name of the paper comparative anatomy and physiology. Paper number 7th, semester 3rd, unit number 2nd. In this second topic, that is the nutrition. In the last period, we see the digestion. What is meant by digestion? Say in the last period, types of digestion. Then we see the detail about carbohydrate digestion process in this period. Today's topic is the carbohydrate digestion. That is also called physiology of carbohydrate digestion. Presented by myself, Dr. Thorat Mandakini Manohar, Assistant Professor and HOD of Zoology Department. Thus, in this, that is the physiology of carbohydrate digestion. So generally, we know carbohydrate is an important component of the human diet. It is near about 60 to 83% of carbohydrates. They provide the main bulk of energy for the living beings. The breakdown of complex carbohydrate into the monosaccharide is called carbohydrate digestion. Generally, carbohydrate digestion takes place in the specific enzyme secreted by the digestive gland and alimentary canal. The set of enzymes involved in the carbohydrate digestion called as the carbohydrate. Generally, carbohydrate is the breakdown of complex carbohydrates into the monosaccharide molecule, also called the glucose molecule. This process is called the carbohydrate digestion. In the carbohydrate digestion, they are completed with the help of the specific enzyme which is secreted by the digestive gland and the alimentary canal. In this, that is set of enzymes involved in the carbohydrate digestion, these called as carbohydrates. Generally, one by one, we see how the physiology of carbohydrate process they are completed. First, place of carbohydrate digestion. In which place that is the carbohydrate digestion process completed. Generally, the carbohydrates are usually digested in the place of alimentary canal like the buccal cavity, stomach and intestine. This part is called alimentary canal, buccal cavity, stomach and intestine. Next, which glands they are involved in the carbohydrate digestion? Generally, it involves the following different digestive gland. This is called salivary gland, intestinal gland, pancreatic glands and gastric gland. Enzymes. Which enzymes they are essential for the carbohydrate digestion? These enzymes include carbohydrate digestion is called following carbohydrate digesting enzyme like the amylase. It is also called ptyalin, maltase, lactase, sucrase and cellulose. The different enzymes which are involved in the carbohydrate digestion process. The first, that is the digestion of the starch. It is a complex carbohydrate because it consists of many glucose units. That is first, that is digestion of starch. Starch is the complex carbohydrate because it consists of many glucose units. It is digested by the ptyalin enzymes. Ptyalin is secreted by salivary glands in the buccal cavity. Salivary glands, they are present in the buccal cavity and they secrete the enzyme. It is called ptyalin, which is essential for this digestion process. First, upon in the starch digestion, starch is converted into the soluble starch. Then soluble starch is converted into the retinoized Erythrodiexin splits into erythrodiexins. Generally, the soluble starch. First, upon the starch digestion, starch is converted into soluble starch. Starch is converted into soluble starch. Then soluble starch is converted into the erythrodextrin. Then erythrodextrin splits into the acrodextrin. Finally, acrodextrin is converted into the maltose. That is, Tylene enzyme digests the starch up to the disaccharide like called maltase. So generally, in short, also we see how the digestion of starch takes place. So generally, insoluble starch is converted into the soluble starch with the help of the Tylene enzyme, which is secreted by salivary glands which are found in the buccal cavity. So generally, insoluble starch is converted into the soluble starch. Soluble starch is converted into the erythrodextrin. This is also completed with the help of the enzymes which is secreted by salivary glands. It is called Tylene. Erythrodextrin is converted into the acrodextrin. They are also converted with the help of the enzyme Tylene, which are involved by the salivary glands. Acrodextrin is converted into the maltose. So generally, digestion of starch in this process, insoluble starch is converted into the soluble starch. Soluble starch is converted into the erythrodextrin. Erythrodextrin is converted into the acrodextrin, and acrodextrin is converted into the maltose. This is the process is called digestion of the starch. Then second, digestion of the maltose. That is, maltose is also the disaccharide which is consist of two glucose molecule. It is digested by the enzymes called maltase. Maltase secreted by pancreatic glands. It is digested into a intestine. Maltose split into two glucose molecule. Then also, with the help of the reaction, we see maltose is converted into the glucose plus glucose with the help of the enzyme maltase. That is maltase. Generally, maltose is converted into the glucose plus glucose with the help of the enzymes maltase. Then also, digestion of sucrose. It is also kind of disaccharide molecule. It consists of two monosaccharide units like the glucose and fructose. Sucrose digested by the sucrase enzyme is the sucrase. Sucrose digested by sucrase enzyme. Sucrase secreted by the pancreatic glands. Generally, sucrase enzymes is secreted by the pancreatic glands. Sucrase splits the sucrose into the glucose and fructose. Sucrose is converted into glucose plus fructose. Generally, also the digestion process, sucrose is converted into glucose and fructose. With the help of the enzyme, it is called sucrase. Next is the digestion of lactase. It is also a type of disaccharide molecule. They are consist of two monosaccharide units called as glucose and galactose. It is also digested by the enzyme lactase, which is secreted by pancreatic glands. These lactase splits the lactose into the glucose and galactose. That is also with the help of the giving the chemical reaction, lactose is converted into the galactose plus glucose molecule. This chemical process, they are completed with the help of the enzyme. It is called lactase. Lactase is converted into galactose plus glucose molecule with the help of enzyme lactase. Then next process is called digestion of the cellulose. Cellulose, it is also the polysaccharide molecule which consists of only glucose monosaccharide unit. It cannot digest into the human being because man can not produce the cellulase enzyme. In human being, they not having the capacity to produce this type of the enzyme. It is called the cellulase. These cellulose enzymes only secrete by the herbivorous animals because its alimentary canal contain the numerous bacteria and the protozoans. These microorganisms absorb the cellulose and convert into the glucose. Then this